Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. On the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that after the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, the price on a Bitcoin Cash is still in a very massive bull run. And by the way, so far, if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to here, Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 716%, but it was rejected at that time by this very strong long-term resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And by the way, this resistance zone has been previously acting as a resistance here, and resistance zone here in the month of Feb 2021. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Now, recently, we have once again broken out this very long-term uptrend line resistance that has been previously acting as a resistance here and support here. And now after the breakdown, again, it was flipped into a resistance. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, it was also getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance, and we have also broken it out as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 24th of June 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 24th of June 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher move that Bitcoin Cash had already completed on this 4 hour time frame chart, and it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price and for some correction when it will be re-enter the buying zone. Then we can again buy it from the buying zone. And this was the complete trade setup: buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price end did not re-enter the buying zone. We had a slight correction, but did not enter the buying zone. And the pump was starting after that. And before that, I shared this bullish Garland move. And this move I shared in the same month of June, a few days ago, on 19th of June 2025. And this move was formed on a 4 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup: buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. Buying zone and sell target zone. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal. And this was almost 11% pump only on this 4 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because then I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, even few months, since after the month of December 2024, it was getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance. We got few rejections here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And finally, we broke out the resistance, this downtrend line resistance, retested the previous resistance as a support and geared up. And we also broke out another very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line has been previously acting as a resistance here for several weeks or months, and here for several months, it has been acting as support, and now after the breakout, again, it can work as strong support for the price on a Bitcoin Cash. Now, here on the 7 day time frame chart, we are still trying to break out this very long-term resistance of $500. If the price then breaks it out, then an imminent move is possible up to the next resistance zone that starts from 700 and goes to $800. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern. That target is, by the way, here at the top of the bed. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.